Here I have HUAWEI Enjoy 60X, and today I'm going to show you how to enter safe mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to turn your device off by holding down power key, and after it turns off completely you have to hold down combination of keys power key plus volume up at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. And after the screen turns on and you can see Huawei logo appeared, you can release power key and keep holding only volume up, just like this. In the following menu, you have to use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and select the last option, safe mode, and then your device will be restarted in a safe mode. So as you can see, the sign here says safe mode, which is the proof that we're in a safe mode right now. As you could notice, a lot of apps are absent in this mode because they could be potentially not safe, I guess. So when you're done with safety stuff, to exit this mode you have to just restart your device and it will be restarted just as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.